निखिल जैन, कांग्रेस सपोर्टर एंड निखिल जैन, भाई इतना बोला आपने अडानी के खिलाफ, so much of sound and fury and dust was raised about Adani, and now Shashi Tharoor is sitting on the dais there. Pinarayi Vijayan, Chief Minister of Kerala, is sitting on the dais there with Gautam Adani for the inauguration of the port. It's the country's asset. You're taking pride, the left is taking pride, the BJP is taking pride. Has Rahul Gandhi lost a pole plank, meltdown plank now?
Navika, I think what you're missing is that this port happens to be in the constituency which Shashi Tharoor represents in the Lok Sabha. It happens to be in the state, but you didn't mention it. That is why Shashi Tharoor is found sitting there. That is why Pinarayi Vijayan.
Why were you abusing Adani all this while it was in a left-ruled state?
Navika, Rahul Gandhi has made it very clear that he doesn't have any problem with Adani or Ambani personally. What he has a problem with is crony capitalism and how the country and the people's resources are being given away to these two people. I'll give you an example from a very, very recent news report that came out, I think, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, that BSNL has not raised a bill of over 1,750 crores that is due on Jio because Jio uses BSNL stars. So this government first categorically succumbed BSNL to not being a non-entity essentially, and Jio is using it BSNL stars, but 1,750 crores is not being paid to the taxpayers of the country. Adani has gotten the Mumbai port, and the rumors and the stories and the reports that we have all seen, airport, the arm twisting that was done.
Oh,
and
so
how
your,
the
politics,
Maharashtra,
your politics is based on rumors? Your politics is based on rumors? Nikhil Jain, you're an advocate. The courts have looked at this matter. You are basing your entire politics on rumors and damaging the country. Shehzad Poonawalla, shocking admission that politics is based on rumors. Shehzad.
Last evening, Navika, he has not...
Give me half a minute to complete my point that I also mentioned about news reports. Also, wasn't there a tender by the Maharashtra government to for power purchase where the terms of the tender were such that only and only the Adani enterprise could meet, that we want 1,800 megawatts of electricity, 1,100 has to be from coal, 700 has to be from solar.
All right.
That is what
you've gone to courts. The courts have looked at the matter. Stop beating your chest, Shehzad.
Now, Navika, last evening, Nikhil did not allow me to speak. I hope he's not going to repeat that behavior because I gave all the time.
Not on my show.
Because I did not interrupt him even once, and I hope that he will now keep his word as a gentleman. Having said that, हाथी के दांत और राहुल गांधी के सिद्धांत खाने के अलग, दिखाने के अलग. Let me tell you, there are 2 Adanis in this country, not one. If Adani invests 60,000 crores in Gehlot in Rajasthan government, good Adani. If Adani invests 12,000 crores in Telangana with Revanth Reddy, good Adani. If he invests thousands of crores in Chhattisgarh, Baghel time,
good Adani.
Mundra Port, Congress government ने गुजरात में दिया, good Adani. झारखंड और पंजाब में solar power plant project, good Adani. Dighi Port under MBA, good Adani. Sharad Pawar goes to inaugurate his projects, good Adani. Virinium Port given to UDF and LDF, and they are taking credit. In fact, Congress is saying left का नहीं, हमारा credit Oman Chandy ने start किया, good Adani. Australian port bought by Adani in 2011, good Adani. Biggest thermal power plant during UPA, good Adani. 6 SEZs by UPA to Adani, good Adani. HDIL Mumbai plot in 2013 to Adani, good Adani. 35,000 tons of apples bought under Himachal government of Congress party, good Adani. Kerala Congress party Satisan says कि हमने शुरू किया था Virinium port, ये भी good Adani. But having said that, he said crony capitalism. So I want to ask you only one question. The original stand of Congress party in Kerala is that the left parties have compromised with Adani and have given him the project. Is that a correct allegation or is that a false allegation?
Well, Vivek.
And today, Vivek, are you Congress spokesperson or are you left spokesperson?
Let him clarify. Let him clarify first.